Hello, friends. This is Miss Julia with today's nature report. I had to come and show you these. I didn't even know what they were, so I had to use a field guide to look it up. Field guides are books that can tell you certain plants or animals, and in this case, mushrooms. This mushroom has the word Scarlet in its name. What color do you think Scarlet is? That's right, red. The field guide told me that these are called Scarlet cups. They do really look kind of like a cup, don't they? It even looks like they're collecting water inside those little cups. I wonder if that helps them grow. The field guide also told me that scarlet cups enjoy growing in the winter and early spring, which is exactly right now. And it's pretty amazing to see that they still can grow even when it snows on a chilly day like today. Pretty neat. Well, I'm going to go explore nature a little bit more. And if I find something, I'll make sure to show you. But I hope I get to see you in a little bit on the next nature report. Goodbye for now.